Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the third video set class. Today we are going to discuss some other type of set. So before starting, first we start Brahmana. शांति 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 सुस्ता. Today we will discuss what we mean by power set and equal set, equivalent set and set operation. Last class we are already discussed what is the subset and what is the proper subset and what will be number of subset of the given set and how to create the subset of the given set. You know, subset means if all the element of set A are present in set B, then we say A subset B. So every set is a subset itself. Okay, but a proper subset means proper subset. A set capital A is said to be proper subset of B if all the element of A are present in set B, okay, and B contains at least one extra element other than A. A set सब जगह उपादान B set थिबो या सहित B set आउ किछि एलिमेंट एक्स्ट्रा थिबो जोडा कि A set न थिबो. Then we say A is called proper subset of B or B is a superset of A. So A proper subset B means it must be subset A subset B but A not equal to B. So every set is a subset itself but every set is not proper subset itself. प्रत्येक सेट निजर सब सबसेट हम निजर केबे भी प्रॉपर सबसेट हो पारिबो नाही. And the number of subset of a set containing n element is equal to 2 to the power n. Number of non-empty subset equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Number of proper subset equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Number of non-empty proper subset, this is equal to 2 to the power n minus 2. So phi is the smallest subset of every set and every set is the biggest subset of itself. And you know how to create a subset. First you take a subset, you create a subset containing no elements, that is a phi. Then you create a subset contain single element. Then you create a subset contains two element. So in this way you have to create all the subset of the given set. Okay, but what do we mean by power set? Today we will discuss power set. Power set. So what do we mean by power set or power of a set? Let capital A be a finite set. Be a finite set. The power set of A means the collection of all the subsets of set A is known as power set of A. The collection of all subsets of set A is called power set. Is called power of a set. Is called power of a or power set. Power set. And it is denoted by P of A. So what is P of A? So P of A is power of a set capital A or power set A. So power set means collection of all subsets of a given set. तेणु गोटे सेट थी तार सब जाक सबसेट फास्ट क्रिएट करिया First we create all the subset. Then you create a set containing all subsets of that set is known as a power set. Power set means प्रथमे गोटे सेट थी से सेट रो सब जाक सबसेट क्रिएट करियो सब जाक सबसेट क्रिएट कला परे इमिडिएट गोटे सेट फॉर्मेशन करियो आउ गोटे सेट तैयारी करियो जो सेट रे सबसेट गुडी को रखियो तेनो सब जाक सबसेट को नेगिरी जो सेटा फॉर्मेशन हबो दैट इज नोन एज ए पावर सेट. सो पावर सेट containing all the subsets of a given set. So the elements of the power set is a subset of the given set. That is P of A mathematically. P of A is equal to collection of all subsets capital X such that X must be subset of A. Are you understand? ମୁଁ कौन कहली पावर सेट माने कौन इट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल सबसेट्स तो सेट ऑफ ऑल सबसेट्स इज नोन एज ए पावर सेट एंड ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ द पावर सेट इज ए सबसेट दैट सबसेट बट दैट सेट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ द गिवन सेट. ओके तो पावर सेट गोटे गोटे एलिमेंट गोटे गोटे सेट जो सेटा निज सेट सब सबसेट हम. ओके सो हियर x belongs to P of A means x must be subset of A. That is also capital X belongs to P of A. That implied capital X belongs to P of A means X must be subset of A. X must be subset of A. Okay. For example, write P of A if A is equal to A B. If A is equal to A B. So here A set containing how many elements? So 2 elements. So if set has 2 element, what will be number of subsets? So automatically the number of subset is 2 row square. That is 4. So number of subset is 4. What are the subset? One is 5. Next one, set containing 1 element, set A. Next one, set B. No. Next you create a set containing 2 elements, that is AB. So first you have to write all the subsets. So to find P of A means first you have to write all the subsets. So what are the subset? One is 5 and this is A and this is B and this is AB. So this is the subset. So taking all subsets in a set, you create another set containing all subset and that set is known as a power set. So P of A is equal to phi set A, set B, set P of A. So phi belongs to P of A means phi must be subset of A. Set A belongs to P of A means set A must be subset of A set. Okay. Next another example. Write P of A if A is equal to A, B, C. Here this set containing 3 elements. So the number of subset is 2 row Q. So 2 row Q is equal to 8. So there are 8 subset. How to create 8 subset? First you write empty set. Then a set containing single element. Then you create a set containing 2 elements. Then you create a set containing 3 elements. So in this way you have to write all the subsets. First phi, then set A, set B, set C, then AB. So AB set containing AB is also known as a set BA. AB set लिखिया जा BA लिखिया तागा. Set AC, then set BC. Then taking 3 elements A, B, C. So these are all the subset of set A. Now you create a set containing all subsets and this is known as a power set. This is known as power set. So P of A is equal to this one. Okay. Or you can write another example. If write P of A, if A is equal to 1 is 5, then this is equal to set AB. So here we write P of A, but as A is equal to 5 and set AB. So in that set, how many elements are there? In the curly bracket, the elements, these are known as the elements. So here there are two elements, one is 5 and other is set AB. Well, curly bracket bhitere jaha rahila taku ame consider kariya, this is an element. Tenu A set re element kono gote 5 अछि, gote set 5 out a set AB, तो यार हमें सबसेट बाहर करिया. So in that set containing two elements, so the number of subset will be 2 square, that is 4 subset. तो चारटा सबसेट हम, चारटा सबसेट केंद्र लिखियो. फर्स्ट तुम लिखियो 5 लिखियो, तापर सेट क्रिएट करियो, गोटे एलिमेंट रखियो, सिंगल एलिमेंट रखियो ना नहीं, तापर सेट फॉर्मेशन करियो, 2 एलिमेंट रखियो. So 1 is 5 because empty set is a subset of every set. तापर ए एलिमेंट को नहीं तुम सेट तैयारी करियो. देखो ए सेट भीतर 5 अछि माने 5 टा ए सेट पई कोन हो, एलिमेंट ऑफ 5 इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ दैट सेट ए. सेट ए बी इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए. कर्ली ब्रैकेट भीतर जहाँ रोची दैट इज एलिमेंट. तेणु एटा गोटे एलिमेंट, एटा गोटे एलिमेंट है. तेणु ए एलिमेंट नहीं सेट तैयारी करियो. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 5. ए एलिमेंट नहीं सेट तैयारी करियो. So this is equal to AB. एटा गोटे एलिमेंट है, ए एलिमेंट नहीं सेट तैयारी कलो. दिस इज द सेट ऑफ ए कमा बी. बर्तमान गोटे सिंगल एलिमेंट रखिलो ए सेट रे, ए सेट रे सिंगल एलिमेंट रखिलो. नाउ ई क्रिएट ए सेट containing 2 एलिमेंट. बर्तमान 2 एलिमेंट नहीं नो, 2 एलिमेंट माने कोन, ए निजे आसी ए माने आसी. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 5 आउ सेट ए बी. ए जे 2 एलिमेंट जो सेट आसीबो हैला, दीटा को एलिमेंट नहीं तुम सेट तैयारी करियो. दिस इज आल्सो सबसेट एंड दैट सेट इज इक्वल टू कंप्लीटली ए सेट. ओके, सो दिस इज सबसेट. सो देयर आर 4 सबसेट. नाउ वी क्रिएट a set containing all subset and that will be P of A. This is known as a power set of A. Or if you, another example you write, if A is equal to 5, if A is equal to 5 or set 5, then write P of A. Then P of A is dash. Here A is equal to set of 5. In curly bracket, whatever may be present, that is a element. तो कर्ली ब्रैकेट भीतर जहाँ रहिला सेटा तमरो एलिमेंट होबो. कर्ली ब्रैकेट भीतर कोन रहिला, ये रहिला, एटा रहिला. सो ए set 5 is the element of the set A. Set 5 दा A पाई एलिमेंट होबो, A पाई एलिमेंट होबो. तनो तार पावर सेट बाहर करिया मींस एठरे हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट आर देयर. Here there is 1 element. So 1 element means the number of subset is 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 means 2. तो दीरा सबसेट आसे. जदि दीरा सबसेट आसीओ, 1 is 5 and the set itself. So 1 is 5, then you create a set containing single element. Single element टा कोडा 5 अछि, set 5 अछि. ए भीतर को तुम नीड सेट तैयारी करलो. So there are 2 subset, then you create another set containing all subset, and this is known as a P of A. This is known as a P of A. Are you understand how to create or how to write the power set? First you create all the subsets, then taking all the subset you make a set, and that set is known as a power set. So each element of the power set is a set, and that set must be subset of the given set. So P of A is equal to set of collection of set X such that X must be subset of A. X belongs to P of A means X must be subset of A. X must be subset of A. Okay, or X subset of A means X must be P of A. X must be P of A. Then very important, the number of element in the power set is equal to number of subset of A. Because each subset is an element of the power set. That's why we say the number of element of P of A is equal to number of subsets of the set A. And you know the number of subset of the set A is equal to 2 to the power n. And this is equal to number of element of P of A. Number of element of P of A. So we write one note is note P of A mode is equal to 2 to the power n, whereas where P of A is equal to 2 to the power n if mode A is equal to n. If A has n elements, then the number of element of P of A is equal to 2 to the power n. Do you understand? Number of subset is equal to number of element of the power set. Okay. Next, we do some other example how to find the cardinality of P of A. If A is equal to set 0, phi and set phi, then find power set of A. Okay. So what will be the number of element of the power set of power set? Dekho. So answer, first you count what will be number of element in the set A. Here A is equal to, answer, A is equal to 0, 5, set 5. So in the curly bracket, whatever may be present, then that may be is a element, then that is a element. Okay, so here 0 is the element, phi is the element, and set phi is the element for the set A. So there are three elements, that means mode A is equal to 3. So what will be power set? Here you not write P of A. What will be its cardinality? Means number of element of the power set. That will be number of subset. So clearly here there are three elements. That means number of subset of A is equal to 2 to the power q. So 2 to the power q is equal to 8. That means P of A cardinality is equal to 2 to the power q. Because P of A mode is equal to 2 to the power n, whereas mode A is equal to n. So here mode A is equal to 3, that means P of A mode is equal to 2 per q is equal to 8. Then here we ask P of A mode. So P of A cardinality means since it has 8 element, jehetu A set 8 element ଅଛି, so what will be number of subset of a set containing 8 element? In generally a set has 8 element, then the number of subset is 2 to the power 8, and the number of element, number of the subset is known as the number of element of the power set. जेहेतु A set रे 8 element आसिला, दा 8 subset आसिला नहीं कि अच्छा आर P of A रे तमरो 8 subset आसियो मींस 8 element रहिला P of A रो cardinality टा, तो एथिरे 8 element रहिले तार power set रे केतरा element आसीबो. So the cardinality of the power set is equal to what? Na 2 to the power 8. देखो A set रे तो 3 element होची, तार power set रे कोन लिखि 2 पर q. So 2 पर q is equal to 8 हैला. जेतो आउत हमें बाहर करिया power set of A, जेतो A set 8 element होइला, तार power set रे कोन आसीयो 2 पर 8. So 2 to the power 8 is equal to what? 2 to the power 8 is equal to, okay. So this is equal to 500. So 256. Because 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128, then it will be 256. Then if we ask what will be P of A, so the amo pachar thanka P of A cardinality, and this is naturally it will be 2 to the power 256. So 2 to the 256 is a very large number. Okay. Next another question. Write P of A. write P of A cardinality if mod A is equal to n. If mod A is equal to n, then what will be P of A mode? Answer. Here mod A is equal to n. What will be P of A? So P of A cardinality means 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power n is a number. Then again power set of A. So P of A रो मोड कौन होगा? अच्छा A सेट जो 2 to the power n रहिला यार पावर सेट केता आसियो 2 to the power n तो 2 to the power n. Okay, then again P of A is equal to रो element is equal to A set हमरो 2 to the power n element आसिला तार अदर पावर सेट means we take a 2 power, so 2 to the power this one 2 to the power n. Okay, and this is the number of element of the P of A is equal to 2 to the power n. This is not equal to 8 to the power n, not equal to 8 to the power n. 2 to the power n first 2 to the power n बाहर करियो जति आसियो 2 to the power 2n बाहर करियो तापर 2 to the power एमदी बाहर हो लास्ट वर्ड फेटे फेटे आनियार अछि 8 एमदी फेटे लाबनी ऊपर फेटे फेटे आनियार अछि हला. अच्छा, next another question also. Find the number of elements of P of 5. What will be number of elements of the power set 5? Here the set is 5. And you know, in 5 set has how many elements? There is no element, means 0 element. तो यहाँ power set हमको element पहुँचा. So here answer. First here 5 set. So the number of element of 5 is equal to 0 because the 5 is a set, means here A is 5. So the cardinality of 5 is 0. So what will be P of 5? So P of 5 means since 5 has a 0 element, then the cardinality of P of 5 will be 2 to the power 0. The cardinality of P of A is equal to 2 to the power n, whereas A has n elements. That is why 2 to the power 0 means 1. Then again you find P of 5, power set of 5. Since P of 5 has 2 head element, so its power set, the number of element of P of 5 is equal to again 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is 2. बुझुछि ना? तापरे अच्छा P of 5 होछि 2. Then what will be P of 5? And it will be देखो A set हमर केतना आसिला 2 एलिमेंट आसिला तार अथर पावर सेट मींस 2 रो स्क्वायर. So 2 रो स्क्वायर is equal to 4. Then again another power set P of 5. So this will be is equal to here power set number of element होछि 4. Then P of 5 is equal to 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So in this way you have to calculate the power set of the element. Okay. Next equal set. Next we discuss equal set. So what do we mean by equal set? Equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if A must be subset of B and also B must be subset of A. So A equal to B means A subset B and B is also subset A. If A subset B but B not subset A, then A not equal to B. Okay. So equal hele all the element of A are present in B set and all the element of B also present in A set. For example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A subset B and B subset A. Here A subset B and also B subset A. So A is equal to B. If we take another example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set A, B, C, D, E. Is it true A equal to B? Here A not subset B, B not subset A. That means A not equal to B. A not subset B, B not subset A. But that is A not equal to B. Here A not equal to B, but A equivalent to B, but mod A is equal to mod B. The number of element of A is equal to number of element of B. So mod A is equal to mod B. Mod A is equal to mod B means A equivalent to B. That is A equivalent to B. A equivalent to B. But A not equal to B. These two sets are equivalent, but they are not equal. So in that example, here A and B are equal and also A equivalent to B, because the number of element of A is equal to number of element of B. So these two sets are equivalent, these two sets are equal. But here these two sets are equivalent, but these two sets are not equal. So equal set always equivalent, but equivalent set may or may not be equal set. So note, equal sets are equivalent, but equivalent sets may or may not be equal. May or may not be equal. Okay, so all equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets may or may not be equivalent. Okay. So next, what do we mean by comparable set? Comparable. So two sets A and B are said to be comparable, either A subset B or B subset A, or A not equal to B, or A equal to B. Sorry. So two sets A and B are said to be comparable, either A subset B or B subset A, or A equal to B. So none of the conditions are satisfied, then A and B are not comparable. If A not subset B, nor B subset A, nor A equal to B, then we say A and B are not comparable. Okay. So two sets A and B are said to be comparable if either A subset B or B subset A or A equal to B. Neither A subset B nor B subset A nor A equal to B nor A equal to B, then A and B not comparable. Okay. Then what is a universal set? Then universal set. So universal set is denoted by capital U, or this is also E. It is the largest set. It is the largest set where all the set are subset in this universal set. So universal set means if all sets are subset. All sets are subset in a particular set. In a particular set under consideration. Under consideration. Then this particular set is called universal set. And universal set, it is denoted by capital U or capital E. Okay, suppose we take or we consider three sets. Let A is equal to A, B, C. B is equal to C, D. C is equal to E, F. So what is the universal set of these sets? So the universal set is the largest set, which contains all the sets, which contains A, B, C. That means all the elements A, B, C are the subset of that set. A, B, C are the subset that set. Then that set is known as a universal set. So here universal set may be A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a universal set of the set A, B, C. Or if we take other element, you take a G, H. Or you can take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. This is also universal set. But so A, B, C, D, E, F, it is necessary to include in that set. Then universal set hebaku bolle A, B, C, D, E, F एतिकी रहिबा दरकार. एतिकी बाद आउ तमे जहां एक्स्ट्रा रखिबो ए सेट ऊपर भी सेटा भी यूनिवर्सल सेट हे पारियो. और यू कैन राइट U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Or U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. जहां रखले भी हबो किंतु एतिकी मिनिमम रहिया दरकार A, B, C, D, E, F. So A is the subset of a universal set, B is the subset of a universal set, C is also subset of a universal set. So universal set means so set of all sets. Okay. So if all sets are a subset in a particular set, then that particular set is known as a universal set. Okay. Next, another question. If A is equal to set of A to the power n minus 7n minus 1, n belongs to capital N, and B set is equal to set of 45n, 45 into n minus 1, where n belongs to capital N, prove that A subset B. So how can you prove A subset B? So A subset B means all the elements of set A are present in set B. जे आम ए सबसेट बी प्रूव करिया मीन्स ए रे सब जाक एलिमेंट बी सेट अछि बोल देखा पड़ियो. अच्छा, सो व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए? आंसर हियर a to the power n minus 7n minus 1 comma n belongs to capital N. If we put n is equal to 1, then what is its number? For n is equal to 2, what is its number? For n is equal to 3, what is its number? So it is difficult to find for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in such case, we use the expansion formula. Okay. So a to the power n means is equal to, you can write in this way, this is 1 plus 7 to the power n minus 7n minus 1. So there is a expansion formula 1 plus 7, okay, or 1 plus x to the power n. 1 plus x to the power n is equal to 1 plus nx. This is the formula of expansion. 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square, and the next term will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus dot 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 dot. If n is equal to 10, then here 11 number of term. If n is equal to 100, then there are 101 term. तेणु पाबाटा जति थियो प्लस 1 गोटे टर्म. सपोज 1 प्लस x होल स्क्वायर थियो माने कोन हबो 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x तीनटा टर्म आसियो. तेणु पाबाटा जति थियो ताको एक्सपेंशन कले से पाबार गोटे टर्म अधिक. 2 थिले तीनटा टर्म आइबो, 3 थिले 4टा टर्म आइबो, n थिले n plus 1 टा टर्म आसे m दि आसियो. अच्छा, actually this expansion we prove the expansion of 1 plus x to the n equal to 1 plus nx like that we prove in binomial theorem chapter. आमर अच्छी permutation combination binomial theorem से chapter आमे prove करि परिया आ 1 plus x रो पावर जते थिले मध्ये ताको आमे expansion करि हबो. So here n belongs to capital N. यदि power is n belongs to capital N. Okay. Now here you remember the 1 plus x to the power n is equal to this one. So 1 plus 7 to the power n, 1 plus 7 to the power n equal to, so this is equal to 8 to the power n. Okay. So 8 to the power n minus 7n minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 7 to the power n. Use this formula 1 plus nx. So here n x means 7, so 1 plus 7x. Okay. 1 plus 7x, then this is n, x means 7, x means 7. Okay, so this is equal to 7n plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into 7 to square. What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial means 1 into 2. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. No, n factorial means 1 to n multiplication of all serial number. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into dot dot n. Like that 10 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into dot dot n. The continuous product of n numbers is known as a factorial n. So factorial also we read in a permutation counting principle. से चैप्टर आम देखिए factorial माने कौन देखो तुमको ये कौन पाई कहला तुम ये एन जगह 1 2 3 पकई बाहर कर पारियो किंतु 1 2 3 पकई बाहर कले एटा डिफिकल्ट हम कैलकुलेशन दा डिफिकल्ट हम बोले आम एम दी पकेबा हैला नो डाउट तुम डायरेक्ट पकई कले भी हे पारिबो. अच्छा आम एक्सपेंशन मु यूज करी करछि देखो तो 1 plus 7n plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into 7 square है plus it comes n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into 7 to q, and the next term will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial into 7 to q plus dot 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 एति आसीबो है तो माइनस कोन अछि 7n तो माइनस 7n minus 1 देखो ये प्लस 1 अच्छी माइनस 1 दिजाती कैंसिल प्लस 7n माइनस 7n कैंसिल. सो 8 to the power n minus 7n minus 1 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into 7 to square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into 7 to q m दी अच्छी. So it is 7 to square अच्छी 7 to q अच्छी. Now take it common 7 to square. तो the 7 to square यदि हमें common नेबा बोले क्या चाहिए 49 होगा तो 49 into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. Next term कौन होगा n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into 7 होगा. The next term will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial. सेठी कौन होगा 7 पर 4 तो होगा એટલે 7 to square common कर देले कौन होगा इस ना 7 to square m दी रहला. Okay. तो लास्ट टर्म आसे तो हमरा n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 लास्ट टर्म कौन होगा n into n minus of 1 होगा तो लास्ट 1 नहीं 1 to n रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा तले 4 फैक्टोरियल ऊपर 4टा फैक्टर रहउची n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 तो लास्ट टर्म रे हम n अछि माने लास्ट नंबर टा कौन होगा n फैक्टोरियल होगा डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट ऊपर n फैक्टर रहिबो n * n - 1 * n - 2 डॉट डॉट 3 2 1 इज आसो इनटू 7 टू द पावर कोन हो ना 7 टू द n - 2 हो 7 पर n - 2 हो। अच्छा सो देखो एडी कोन अछि 49 अछि। अच्छा आमे एडी पकेबा पर n = 1 सो एडी पकेबा जहां एडी पकेबा ताहां पर n = 1 पकेले कोन होछि एटा ना 49 इनटू n जतरो 1 होबो माने गोटे टर्म आसी गोटे टर्म समष्टि नबो हला। अच्छा गोटे टर्म समष्टि नबो एंडा 1 आसी पकेले गोटे टर्म सब जगह पके दउनी तुम एडी गोटे टर्म नबो तो 1 पकेले कोन होछि डी फर्स्ट गोटे टर्म रागा पकेबो तो 1 * 1 - 1 0 तो 0/2 फैक्टोरियल के चला 0 हला तो 49 * 0 सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 आसला फॉर n = 1 पकेले फॉर n = 2 2 पकेले कोन होबो ना दीरा टर्म नबो एडी एंडा जतलो 2 नबो माने दीरा टर्म नबो दीरा टर्म जगह पकेबो सो एडी कोन आसे देखलो या दिस इज इक्वल टू 49 इनटू 2 पकोचो 2 * 2 - 1 एटा केता आसियो 2 * 1/2 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 2 * 2 - 1 1 या 2 - 2 0/3 फैक्टोरियल सो 0/3 फैक्टोरियल एटा होची 0 हो गेला 0 3 फैक्टोरियल माने कोन 6 हो 3 फैक्टोरियल माने 1 * 2 * 3 डू यू अंडरस्टैंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ओके सो एटा 0 होला 0/3 फैक्टोरियल माने 0 होला तो 2 फैक्टोरियल कटला सो एटा से 49 आसला तो एटा 49 * 1 आसला फॉर n = 2 देखो कोन होची फॉर n = 2 पकेले कोन होची ना दिस इज इक्वल टू 49 इनटू n जार हम 2 पकेले माने एटी तीनटा टर्म समष्टि नबो एंडा 2 पकेले दीरा टर्म समष्टि नउतला ना कि एंडा जतला में 3 पकेबा एंडा 3 पकेबा माने तीनटा टर्म समष्टि हो तीनटा टर्म माने ए टर्म ला जीवो ए टर्म ला जीवो ए टर्म ला जीवो सो एटी तमे 3 पकेले कोन होची ना 3 * 3 - 1 3 * 2/2 फैक्टोरियल हैला देखो n जार 3 पकेले 3 हैला 3 * 3 - 1 2/2 फैक्टोरियल हैला प्लस कोन हो एटा ना 3 * 3 - 1 2 * 3 - 2 1/3 फैक्टोरियल इनटू कोन अछि 7 अछि प्लस एडी कोन अछि एडा आसियो 3 * 3 - 1 * 3 - 2 * 3 - 3 कोन हो 0 0 * एटी 0 हैला 0/4 फैक्टोरियल 4 फैक्टोरियल माने कोन 1 * 2 * 3 * 4 तो 1 * 2 2 * 3 6 6 * 4 कते 24 तो 0/24 कते 0 हैला तो 0 * 7 स्क्वायर कते 0 हैला एटा 0 हैला सो एटा कोन होची 2 फैक्टोरियल माने 2 सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 49 * 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 टा कटला एटा आसियो 3 प्लस एटा केता आसियो 3 * 2 3 * 2 * 1 3 फैक्टोरियल माने कोन 6 ये 3 * 2 6 एटा कटला सो 3 + 7 हो सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 49 * 10 आसियो देखो फर्स्ट टर्म कोन होची ना 49 * 0 आसिला तापटा 49 * 1 आसिला तापटे डायरेक्ट 49 * 10 आसिला किंतु ए बी सेट रे कोन अछि बी सेट रे कोन अछि यार b इज इक्वल टू b set is equal to 49 into n minus 1 तो n minus 1 means if we put n is equal to 1 if we put n is equal to 1 then b set is equal to 0 होला तो b set is equal to 0 and 1 पकले 0 होची and 2 पकले this is equal to 49 होला if we put n is equal to 3 it will be 49 into 2 होला 49 into 2 if we put n is equal to 4 then it is 49 into 3 होला so एटा होची 49 रो मल्टीपल होबो 49 0 होला then 49 होबो 49 into 1 होबो 49 into 2 49 into 3 into 49 into 4 होबो so in this किंतु एडी कोन आसला but in set a set contain 49 into 0 49 into 1 49 into 10 but एडी b set रे तमरा a set रे कोन 49 into 2 9 49 into 3 9 49 into 4 9 डायरेक्ट 49 into 10 अछि तापर तमरो जदी n जाय तमे 4 पकेबो if we put n is equal to 4 तो डायरेक्ट तमे एडी n जार 4 पके कैलकुलेशन कला होबो माने एती भी तमे एडी कैलकुलेशन करा होबो किंतु आगे 49 अछि माने एटा भी 49 into फर्स्ट 0 होला तापर 49 into 1 होछि 49 into 10 हो तापर गोटे नंबर ती आसियो देखले जना पड़ो कौन हम ना नहीं अच्छा so all the element of set A are present in B but all the element of B are not present in A. So clearly here A subset B, here A subset B. So here you write all the element of set A are present in B but all the element of B are not present in A. That's why A is a subset of B, or automatically you can say also A is the proper subset of B. A is the proper subset of B. Okay. So here A is the subset of B. Okay. Because you write all the element of set A are present in a B set. That's why A is a subset of B. So A is equal to 49 into 0 into 49 into 1 into 49 into 10 dot dot. But B set equal to 49 into 0, 49 into 1, 49 into 2, 49 into 3 dot dot. That means A is the subset of B. So next question, for any two sets, A and B, prove that P of A intersection B equal to P of A intersection P of B. How to prove P of A intersection B is equal to P of A intersection P of B? So P of A intersection B means the power set of A intersection B. A and B are two sets. A intersection B means the elements which are common to A and B. Intersection means how many elements are common to both A and B. So here we prove P of A intersection B is equal to P of A intersection P of B. You know two sets are equal. So equal means A equal to B means first you have to show A subset B, then you show B subset A. तेणु दुईटा सेट इक्वल प्रूव करिया गले प्रथम ए सेटा बी रो सबसेट देखा देन बी सेटा ए रो सबसेट देखा पड़ो ये आम जनरली प्रूव करिया मीन्स वी कैन नॉट टेक एग्जांपल तेणु एग्जांपल नहीं आम प्रूव करें दिस इज नॉट ट्रू एग्जांपल नहीं केबे भी प्रूव करा जाए नहीं तो आम यहाँ अलजेब्रा मेथड प्रूव करिया एक्स मेथड आम प्रूव करिया ओके अच्छा फास्ट वी प्रूव पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज द सबसेट ऑफ पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन पी ऑफ बी. So first we take any element of the power set P of A intersection B. If that element is present in the second set, so naturally we say this one is a subset of the second set. Since P of A intersection B is a power set means each element of the power set is a subset, okay, is a set, that set must be subset of the given set. Proof. How to prove this one? Let capital X belongs to P of A intersection B. Okay, you know X belongs to P of A. X belongs to P of A means X must be subset of A because the power set of any element is a set and that set must be subset of the given set. That implies X must be subset of A intersection B. So X का subset of A intersection B means X must be subset of A and X must be subset of B. Okay, so X must be subset of A and X must be subset of B because intersection means so set of those elements which are present both in A and B. Okay, so here X must be subset of A and X must be subset of B. So X subset of A means X subset of A means X belongs to P of A. So X subset A means X belongs to what? P of A. And X subset of B, X subset B means X must be belongs to P of B. That is capital X belongs to P of A and means intersection and X belongs to P of B. So here X belongs to P of A and X belongs to P of B, that means X belongs to P of A intersection P of A intersection P of B. P of A intersection P of B. Okay. So P of A intersection B is a subset of P of A intersection P of B. Okay. Next, this is equation 1. Next, let capital Y belongs to be any element, or capital Y belongs to P of A intersection P of B. So capital Y belongs to P of A intersection P of B means you can write capital Y belongs to P of A and capital Y belongs to P of B. So Y belongs to P of A means what? Y must be subset of A. Y belongs to P of A means Y must be subset of A, and also Y must be subset of B. So Y subset A and Y subset B, that means Y must be subset of A intersection B. So Y subset of A intersection B means Y belongs to what? P of A intersection of B. So in beginning you take Y is an element of P of A intersection P of B, but finally you get Y belongs to P of A intersection B. So P of A intersection P of B is a subset of P of A intersection B, and let it be equation 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A intersection P of B. Okay, so P of A intersection B is equal to P of A intersection P of B. But P of A union B may or may not be equal P of A union P of B. Intersection that सब बोले equal होगा, किंतु intersection जगह जब हमें union नबा, there must be P of A union P of B must be subset of P of A union B. Okay. So some questions: determine if A subset B or A not subset B from the following pairs of the sets A and B. The first question: A is equal to phi and B is equal to set of phi. B is equal, next number B. A is equal to x so that x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. B is equal to set of element x so that x cube minus 6x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. C, A equal to 4 to the power n minus 3 n minus 1, comma n belongs to capital N. B set equal to 9 into n minus 1, where n belongs to capital N. D, A set as x so that x is an equilateral triangle in the plane. B set as x so that x is a triangle in the plane. E, A set as x so that x is a circle in the plane. B set as x so that x is a circle with a radius is 1. Radius is 1. Number 2 question: two finite sets have m and n elements. The number of subset of the first set is 112 more than that the second set. More than two finite sets have m and n elements. The number of subset of the first set is 112 more than number of subsets of the second set. Number of subsets of the second set. Then find the value of m and n. C, number 3 find n of P of A, means the cardinality of P of A and the cardinality of P of B, where A is equal to set of element x so that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. B set adala x so that x square plus 3 less than 2, comma x belongs to R. 4 number tala is it true that for any two sets A and B, P of A union P of B is equal to P of A union B? Justify your answer. If it is not true, then why it is not true? Justify your answer. If it is true, then justify your answer. Okay. So it can be true hoboni. So true hoboni mane you take an example. Suppose A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. then what will be A union B? So naturally A union B is equal to 1 comma 2. Then find its cardinality, sorry, power set P of A union B. P of A बाहर करियो, P of B बाहर करियो, P of A union P of B बाहर करियो, तापर P of A union B बाहर करियो, सेठी केबे भी इक्वल हबोनी. So in generally P of A union P of B is not equal to P of A union B. Justify your answer means हमें गोटे example create करियो. Then show that n of means cardinality of power set of power set of power set of phi is equal to 4. Okay. So these are all are the question for task. Hala? In the next class we do set operation. Thank you.